How does the SLS rocket power Artemis? Imagine a rocket so powerful it can send humans back to the moon and beyond. That's what the Space Launch System, or SLS, is built for. It's NASA's main heavy-lift vehicle designed to take astronauts, spacecraft, and cargo past low Earth orbit. The goal is to make lunar missions safer and more efficient. The SLS has several key parts working together to make this happen. The biggest part is the core stage. It stands about 212 feet tall and weighs around 219,000 pounds. Inside it are for RS-25 engines, which burn liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. These engines produce the main thrust needed to lift off and push the rocket through Earth's atmosphere. On each side of the core stage are two solid rocket boosters. These boosters are 5 segments long and are the most powerful human-rated solid rockets ever built. They give the SLS extra push during the first 2 minutes of flight, helping it get off the ground with enough power to carry heavy loads. Once the rocket clears the atmosphere, the upper stage takes over. For the initial Artemis missions, NASA uses the interim cryogenic propulsion stage. This stage performs the translunar injection burn, which is the critical engine firing that sends the Orion spacecraft toward the moon. Future versions of the SLS will use a more powerful exploration upper stage to carry even more payloads. The Orion spacecraft sits on top of the rocket, ready for its lunar journey. It has a launch abort system with motors that can pull the crew away quickly if there's an emergency during launch. This safety feature is vital for crewed missions. All these parts work together to give Artemis the power it needs. The SLS can send astronauts and their equipment directly to lunar orbit in just one launch, without needing to assemble anything in space. This makes missions safer and more straightforward. Its modular design also means NASA can upgrade the rocket over time, increasing its capacity for future missions to Mars and beyond. In simple terms, the SLS powers Artemis by providing the immense force needed to escape Earth's gravity and reach the moon. It's a carefully built machine that combines liquid engines and solid boosters to make lunar exploration possible. This is how NASA is paving the way for humans to explore deeper into space and return to the moon with confidence.